Hi everyone, Professor Scott here, and I would like to welcome you to SW 419, Social Welfare Policy. This is going to be an interesting class, since most of you probably are going into social work for the counseling aspect. This is a macro approach to social work, and actually more people can get helped through policy, laws, acts, bills, than any other form of social work. So it's really broad-based, and actually a number of social workers like to go into the political action scene and help people in that way. Our goal in this class is to, actually our competency is to analyze, formulate, and advocate for policies that advance social and economic well-being. So that's the competency that we're going to work towards. And through your textbook, through Sakai, the questions, the attachments, handouts, through the videos, hopefully you will get a good sense of what social welfare policy is all about. At some point in your career, you will be doing policy. You'll be in an agency long enough, you will learn their manual, you will look at their different policies, and you will help to grow and understand how these policies produce order and efficiency within your organization. Usually, policies, bills, laws, and acts, they're all kind of the same thing, produce social work systems, social work programs. The government sees a social need, and it becomes somewhat critical mass, and then social workers get these proposals from the government and produce programs, usually within established agencies. And then it's social workers that work within these programs to fulfill the mission of the original policy mandate. So please take your studies seriously. I'm here to help you. We'll do some videos together. We'll meet together, hopefully, and we'll have a great time. So before I end on this introduction, I want to ask you one thing. Can you name just one social welfare policy? Take a minute, think about it. And I know that you know a social welfare policy that you've heard before, but sometimes you didn't think, well, is that a social welfare policy? What is that? Actually, there are many that, in particular, that are going around today. The Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare. The Social Security Act of 1935, which produced Social Security, unemployment insurance, and aid to families with dependent children, which then in 1996 turned into TANF. And the bill that produced TANF was actually called the Personal Responsibility and Work Opportunity Reconciliation Act of 1996. Say that 3 times really fast. The DREAM Act that DACA is currently working with, Food Stamp Act, the Civil Rights Act, the Americans with Disabilities Act, Older Americans Act. All of these bills and acts were established to protect the rights of the vulnerable, to effect change with the populations that we work with, and are very valuable to our system, our social safety net, our sense of social insurance to help those who cannot help themselves. So I hope you enjoy this course, and we'll be talking some more about what policy is and ideology in the upcoming videos. Thank you very much. I'm excited to be with you all.